Right, so check it out. There is a secret to getting more people to like your page, and that is sharing good content. Yay! All right, actually, there's more than just that. You can actually share your own content or other people's content, and when people like your page, invite them to like, or when people like your post, invite them to like your page. Let me show you how it's done. Right here on the desktop, you just see these likes here, click on them, and it brings up this window. And you can see this person's liked, invited. I have people who actually go through here and invite people all the time because we get a lot of likes. So this person, Rashid, has not liked the page yet, so I will invite them. Go down, and nobody else left there because we're doing a good job inviting people as fast as possible. Oh, there's another one. Aaron, invite. So what I like to do is periodically throughout the day, and especially when content's live and brand new and fresh, I will go in, scroll through, and anyone who has not been invited, even on the little things, you find a couple likes here and there. Anybody who hasn't been invited to like the page yet, I will go through and invite. There, Eric, invited. Go down, and sometimes you have, and this is where posts that go viral are really beneficial. I think we've had like, let me go up and let's take a look. I have had on the page 2,700 likes this week. So people like the page automatically, but then you give them a nudge in the right direction. Somebody who likes a post, but they don't necessarily like your page. And it, like I said, it does not have to be your content. It could be anyone's content that you post. If they like the post that you put on there, you can invite them to like your page. That's why providing frequent good content is super important to every single page. Oh, found one. Sherry, something or another, invite. And that's it. That's all you have to do.